Okay, there you go. So, before I will dance, siguro because we still have remaining time, workshop na tayo. Susunod yan. So, although hindi siya, but, when it comes to the body performing arts, especially nowadays, we cannot also compare yung mga nasa stage. Pero kami kasi as at the body, even I'm from the mountain, pero pag nasa stage ako, dala ko din yung totoong movements ng dancers namin. So this afternoon, I'm going to show you. May mga tatay lahat. Everybody stand. Basic lang siya. Basic dance. So, ang Tawali attire, it's not costume, let's correct that. It's an attire. Attire. So, it's not costume, it's an attire. So, sa nakikita ninyo, this is one of the attire. Embroidery. Pero usually, ako pag nasa maleta kasi tinalang ko. So, nagmamadali kasi kami, Sir Lily. But anyway, I will just teach you una yung hand movements. Hand movements. So, ang hand movements ng the body, especially, but usually, babae ko siya na movements. But now, hindi na siya gender, I don't know, it's open for okay na siya. Una, dapat i-clean talaga yung dito. Okay, so that is true. Tapos, yung kamay, like, baba, up. Down, up, then down, up, and then down, up. But, the traditional Tivoli dance, walang counting. Kasi, basically, ang dancer has to have connection with the drum. You get it. Hindi yung 1, 2, 3, 4, hindi yung ganun. Kasi yung ears mo dapat doon sa drum. May connection siya. So, una, 1, up, and then, ginamitan ko lang ng counting ha, and then turn. Turn. Then, balik, turn. Okay na. So, for the benefit, let's just count it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then 3, and then balik, reverse. Okay. Second is malong. Ang malong sa body is luweg. Everybody, luweg.
Luweg.
Okay. So,
Luweg.
may dalawa kasi yan. Above the shoulder, this one is for bird dance. Yan. Pero pag dance of a princess, dito lang siya. Like, the left, dito tapos 1. Then, 2, 3, and then third. Pag mag-third, kunin na siya dito, ilagay siya sa 1, 2, and then 3, third, then balik. Again. So second na yan. Second. Next is 1, then 2, then 3. Pag dito na siya sa 4, so there are also na hindi siya ginagamitan ng mga. Like for example, 1. So basically, they would say it's very hard hard and difficult to learn to body access. Kasi sa paa pa lang, mahirap na. So, but basically, mincing steps, di ba sa gayo, yung paa. One. Ganyan na siya. 4, and then 5, third.
Naglaro ko.
Ito ba yung parang robot naman?
Nasa gilid siya.
Katawan, like for example, and up. Up. And then, pag mag-turn, wala, hindi yung turn na pag mag-turn. Kasi pag mag-turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, then, slide. So, kayo lang. We'll start from, tatlo na yung hanap. Sige. Okay, so are you ready? Ay, sasayo ako mamaya. I will be performing two dance, yung lakdos at saka lakulo, para makita niyo yung difference niya when it comes to the beat of the drum. Okay, so everybody, 1, 2, 3, go. Balik. Okay, next. 1, flipping. 2, 3, then 4 lang tayo ha. 4, then turn. First. Okay, next. 1, 2, then 3, then 4, turn. And then turn. Next, last. 1,